Hello everybody, this is Cindy with Life and Yarn Tangled, and I received some happy mail. This comes from Bailey up in Canada. Bailey Nuchter, Cat on the Prowl Creations. I know what's in here, but I haven't seen it yet. Shall we take a look to see what's in this package? I cut the top off, but she's wrapped things fairly well. So let's pull everything out. Oh, a Christmas card. I love Christmas cards. I've gotten quite a few and they're gracing my closet door over here. Oh, I'm not going to read what the card says, but this is very sweet, Bailey. You are a dear, dear friend, and I thank you so much for being there for me. I'm amazed that I have such a wonderful friend. All right. Oh, she wrapped it well. Let's see if I can get it out. Look what it says. It's a Furls Odyssey hook. Wow. According to the mark on the box, it's a 5mm. This is my first Furls hook. I am so excited. Ooh, she taped the box closed. You wanted to make me work for it, didn't ya? Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. It is purple and sparkly. Oh my goodness, this is a gorgeous hook. Wow. Oh, I love the feel of this. Beautiful. Oh, Bailey. I'm honored. I am so honored to get my first Furls hook. I am so excited. Thank you so very, very much for sending this to me. This is awesome. I'm going to test it out. I've got a project going that uses a 5mm hook, so I'm going to swap out hooks and I'm going to test this bad boy out today. I'm so excited. Thank you everybody for watching this Happy Mail video. I know it's not a long one, but I couldn't wait. I was so excited that I got this Furls hook. Merry Christmas to everybody. Merry, Merry Christmas, Bailey. God bless you. Bless you all. Thank you very much. And I will see you all again soon. Take care now.